Alright, I'm gonna sneak up on Kaylee and see if we can raid the cupboards and find some seeds. Come on. You guessed it, we're here to raid the cupboard for seeds, Kaylee. Let's find out what we have. Oh.
Human seeds.
Oh, cumin seeds.
Garlic seeds.
Oh,
Popcorn
seeds. Nice.
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. Oh,
Lentils.
lentil seeds.
Now that you have all the seeds that you need, take them to a location that you can get a little bit dirty. Take a paper towel, fold it into a square, and add a little bit of water. Take your seeds and put them on the paper towel. Next, take the paper towel with the seeds and put it into a Ziploc bag. Make sure the seeds are up on top so that you can see them sprout. Push out some of the air from the bag, but don't zip it up completely. If you need to add a little bit more water, now's a good time. Some of your seeds might have lost their seed coats or be broken. It's okay to discard those now because they won't grow. Repeat the process with all the different types of seeds that you could find. Then, find a sunny windowsill and leave your seeds there for a couple of days. Watch them every day and see if anything starts to happen. If you're lucky, you might get to see germination in action.